What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, there is a police officer that was presented as a witness to the Jocelyn Smith trial. So, this police officer goes by the name Morris Isau. So, this police officer was a witness for the state, and his rank is a warrant officer with 32 years of service. So this police officer joined in 1992 and is a long tenure in the role that he mentioned of the FCS unit. So Morris Isau actually established and said he received a call from a major general on the 20th of February and was told about Jocelyn Smith and others when he then reacted immediately, which actually shows agents and protocol in adherence to the major general. This is when Esau then met with Jocelyn's mother at her home, where she actually briefly explained to Morris Esau about the circumstances surrounding Jocelyn Smith. So that's when Jocelyn Smith, so the circumstances, as you know, Jocelyn Smith had gone missing, and that's when Morris Esau was then coming in. So he was then told by the mother that she left Jocelyn Smith with her boyfriend. That's when then Morris Esau said, I then rushed to go and see this boyfriend. This is very, very critical because Jocelyn Smith was last seen with the boyfriend. So that's when he then took an affidavit there. And immediately that's when they then made a search and started deploying lots of resources. They called in the K9 unit, and these search efforts, they actually began at night. Can you imagine? And the police actually brought all the dogs and involving a lot of units. And you know, all those dogs that sniff human scent, you get what I'm saying? They started at the house of the boyfriend with all of those dogs at night. So obviously you might be imagining right now and saying, okay, what does this information that has been brought by this police officer actually help the state or the court itself? This information, it helps to support future witness testimonies because his version of the events, they're actually setting the stage for more testimonies that are going to be coming from other detectives, forensic teams, and witnesses. So if their stories then align with this experienced, seasoned officer, then that testimonies they'll be like weighing heavily because they will be seen as truthful. So tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.